Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to extend your snaps on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom right corner, as you can see, we have spotlights where you can check out videos on Snapchat. We have stories, we have your camera, your chats, and your location. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and extend your snaps on Snapchat. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically, you need to of course firstly go and open Snapchat on your Android or iOS device. Then when you did that, capture a snap using the camera. So go to the camera in the middle and capture a snap. Tap the crop icon in the toolbar or the right side of the screen. Then after you have done that, select the extend button at the bottom of the screen. After you click that, wait for the AI to process the image, which might take around 15 seconds. Then review the extended snap. If you're satisfied, tap the blue check mark to save it. If not, you can undo and try again. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.